How to deactivate Messenger account. Hello, this video show you how you guys can deactivate your message or a town. It's favorite easy, and all that you guys need to do is simply open up your Facebook application, and then after that, once you guys have logged in into your Facebook application, click on the bottom right on the mini obligation, and then over here just simply click on the bottom on settings and privacy, and then after that guys are going to see these particular options. Simply click on setting from the top, and then from over here just simply click on person information, and then after that it's gonna take you over here. So enough, I'm over here, simply take on manager town, and the not dad. You guys are going to be able to see this particular dashboard. So now I'm over here, just simply click on T actually from the top right. And then after that it's to ask you for your password, so simply put in your password over here. So I will put in my password and then press continue, and then now it's gonna take you over here. Said I was gonna ask you, do you want to disable your account permanently on all of these options, and the no from over here is simply open up your Messenger application. And then much against open up your Messenger allegation, you guys are going to see these particular options, and from over here I to simply open up my Messenger, and not from over here click on the top left on your profile picture, and then after that from over here just simply scroll down. I look for the option called account settings, and an afterthought it's simply can like on person information, then click on manage town, and then after simply click on T actually from the top right, and then now putting your password once, say again, and then not from overhead click on continue, and now you guys are gonna be able to just simply deactivate your Messenger account by simply clicking on other, and then after that